Alright YouTube, so welcome back again. It's a buddy technoboy, and there you can see that's the GOVO soundbar, and it's a Dolby Atmos. You can see it right there, Dolby Atmos. So it's a 2.1.2 channel speakers. So at the front right there, left channel, and there right channel, and at the top here you can see on this side and on another side right there, two speakers are there. As you know, this thing was connected to my smart TV using the HDMI ARC, and the sound was amazing. But today I've connected this thing to my PC right there, but using only RCA cable, not any digital input, coaxial or optical or HDMI, nothing, just aux cable. So now we're going to check the sound of it, how it is, and then I'm going to turn the 3D mode on and I'm going to check some trailers on this thing. So let's start the show.
This is Dolby Cinema. It's where the most advanced cinematic technology you've ever experienced begins. This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of the scene,
Come on, you guys, let's go!
or captures the full extent
My secret.
of nature's fury. And remember this?